What does Youth Day mean to you? Youth Day in South Africa is a day set aside to honor the bravery and sacrifice of the young people who participated in the Soweto uprising, as well as to celebrate all young people. Due to the introduction of mandatory Afrikaans instruction in high schools, students in Soweto held a peaceful march on June 16, 1976. They were also afflicted by how inferior and prejudiced black education was. On that morning, anything from 5,000 and 20,000 students left their classrooms and marched towards Orlando Stadium. Police constructed a barrier along the path and ordered the gathering to disperse. Police opened fire on unarmed marchers without warning. One of the first victims was Hector Peterson, aged 13, who was picked up and carried by his classmate Mbuyisa Makubu, while his sister Antoinette ran with him to a nearby clinic. The incident escalated in full-blown clashes as police continued to open fire on protesters. Therefore, protesters began rioting against apartheid symbols such as government buildings and vehicles. On this day, we remember the brave young people who fought and died for educational freedom, not racial oppression. Derived from such a tragic event, the holiday is more than just a celebration of the youth.
This day, we remind the youth that they are made for more. Take a look at the days leading to the event.
What's good, YPG fam and everybody who's watching this live. As you can see, it's special. The Youth Month is about to begin. As you know, today is the 28th. This month goes until? 31st. 31, eh? So, 3 days to go. Let's exclude today. And we are officially in our month.
The right fam. We will always be able to achieve great things in life.
School visit for you guys to have an idea of how many learners are here. Look how big the school is. We're going to be inviting them, obviously, for the M4M.
And I want to know if in this school you guys are ready to win the first place trophy.
Currently very busy with the work in preps for our June 16 event.
What is good, YPG fam? The work for M4M, unfortunately it's winter, so it's already looking dark. I'm going to be rushing from here because you know the Viber clock is going to be lit tonight. However, we're all busy here with our flyers, working for M4M, hashtag made for more.
Hashtag M4M. G16, hashtag M4M.
What's good, everybody? Yeah, better lighting. Yeah. They're the guys working out here. We out here, we working, M4M.
Let's all everybody tikiti, one by one.
name is Tipang, and we are the YPG from Pretoria. Currently, we are doing some evangelism style. Behind me, we are at Bugani Maweti School. So come along with me and see what is what. And I'm here with Yolanda, Lucia. Okay, so guys, what are your expectations for the event?
To learn more and to have fun.
And I'm expecting to see people happy. Okay, thank you.
What's good, YPG fam? We are out here in the venue of the hashtag M4M event. We have just about a week to go and a lot of work to do. And I was contemplating the size of this place. Let it sink in. That okay. So you know, I am going to be expecting Let's make it about them. Let's make it about them. Look how beautiful they are. Look how wonderful they look. Look at the smile. Look at the joke. Next level, exactly. You know, one was made for more. One is adding to the other. The reason why I wanted to make this live, for two reasons. Obviously, we're but just to remind you what's the YPG does. So those of you around, keep doing your thing. Don't stop. All the coordinators, all the mentors everywhere around South Africa, around here in Joburg, don't stop. Let's keep working. Let's keep doing what we gotta do, and let's keep going to another level. What's good, fam? We're here at Riverlea High, and one more school will be performing on the day. Let me just switch cameras here for you guys to be able to see. They're still practicing.
Have you heard? The YPG is breaking barriers all over South Africa. What is this commotion all about? Well, they call it the M4M event. Hashtag made for more. Some word has been said that it's going to be the biggest YPG event ever seen. It's all over social media, on Facebook, Instagram, M4M everywhere. Brace yourselves. We thought that the vibes were going to be another level. Well, it seems that the vibes are going to be out the atmosphere. So do not miss this M4M event.